Welcome back to Civil Engineering Academy. This is Matt, and today we work a problem from the FE Civil exam dealing with calculus and derivatives. So let's dive in. We're asked, calculate the third derivative of the following function: 7x to the fifth minus 5x to the fourth plus 4x squared minus 8x plus 1. So to solve this problem, we're going to turn to the FE reference handbook, and at the time of this recording, we're using version 10.2 of the reference handbook. I want to look specifically at page 45. And so if we look on page 45, we see the derivatives section, and we know that the first derivative, y prime, is equal to f prime of x, and we're going to work through each term in the function. So what we do is we multiply the coefficient by the exponent and deduct 1 from the exponent. So for the first derivative, we're going to have 7 times 5, so that's 35x to the fourth, minus, 4 times 5, that's 20x to the third, because we subtract 1 from the 4 in the exponent, plus 8x minus 8, right? And so that's our first derivative. So then for the second derivative, what we're going to do is y double prime is equal to f double prime of x, and we're going to use this function here, the first derivative, and we're going to do the same process. So 4 times 35 is 140x, and then we'll subtract 1 from the 4 in the exponent, so that'd be 140x cubed, minus, 20 times 3, that's 60x squared, because we're taking 1 off the 3 in that exponent, plus 8. And so working towards the third derivative, y triple prime is equal to f triple prime of x, and that is equal to 420x squared minus 120x. And so if we look at the answer choices, that is closest to answer choice D, and we've solved this problem. So if you're looking for more practice and review as you prepare for your FE Civil exam, I'd invite you to head on over to civilengineeringacademy.com and check out our Ultimate FE Civil Exam Review course, and we'll see you there.